Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Long time no see. I know it's been a good long while since we made a video, but we're going to get back to that. A whole lot has changed and we're going to get you updated on everything. So I guess the first thing I should say is I'm going to introduce you to the newest addition to the family. This has always been one of my dream cars, and we finally got one. Well, technically we got two, but the other one's a different body style, which was also a dream car. But enough talk, here it is.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
Guys, so there is that. It's a 2014 F10 BMW M5. It is the competition pack, so they are rated at 575 horsepower. However, apparently the non-competition packs have been actually making 600 wheel. So I don't know, I don't really know what it makes, but I would say around that. It's a 4.4 liter V8 twin turbo. It's the S63TU motor. We do have many big plans for this car. As you can hear, I've already done a muffler delete. That cold start does sound really good. This car is fully loaded. It has every option available. So on mods, I've done maintenance first. Put a new radiator in, intercoolers. I've done NGK step 2 cold plugs, gapped at 20 for anybody who is also in the same boat looking to upgrade their plugs. Went with Delphi coil packs because in my opinion that's the best bang for your buck. I've went with upgraded coil packs before and I was highly not impressed with any of them. So we went with Delphi because we just know that they're going to work and they're going to hold the power easily, all that stuff. As far as muffler delete, this car just had the, the stock competition exhaust. So basically I sawzalled that right off, built a custom axle back for each side, and it's a 3-inch inlet, and then it goes to another 3-inch, then to 3.5-inch bell tips on both sides from a wide pipe. Yeah, that's it. We do plan on tuning this car and doing intakes and downpipes very soon, so definitely stay tuned for that. These cars apparently are making low 7s, mid 7s with just those two mods, so I'm definitely excited for that. All I know is this car is freaking amazing. Now, one thing that I did actually forget about is this car didn't come with the Bang & Olufsen stereo system. This one has the Harman Kardon, which is still very good. Haven't heard the other one, so I'm not sure how good it is, but I wanted that option, but we found this one and it didn't have that option. But if you're on the fine line of buying one of these cars, yes, just go ahead and do it. Pull the trigger. It's freaking good, and I don't know, I love it. There's nothing better that I could have picked, in my opinion. We also have the E60 M5, which everybody talks really bad about, but it's been a very good car as well. Unlike a lot of people though, we are meticulous at maintaining our vehicles, so the car stays maintained no matter what, and we haven't had a single check engine light. We haven't had anything wrong with either of them, thankfully. But you know, like I said, I'd say a lot of that is because of preventative maintenance. That one does have the V10 with the SMG transmission, which everybody seems to hate. I don't think it's that bad, honestly, but I guess personal opinion. But you know, if you don't want to spend $10,000 more at the minimum to get an E60 M5 that's manual, I think the SMG is just fine. It's very similar to Lamborghini's older, like 2006, 2000 whatever, Gallardo E-Gear. It's similar. It's not exactly the same, obviously, but it's similar. And I mean, it's really just not as bad as people say. The rod bearings have already been done in that car. The SMG pump have already been done. The clutch has probably been done. I don't have proof of that, and I haven't done it. But of course, coil packs, oil change maintenance, spark plugs, you know, all that stuff, the Vanos, all that stuff has been done. And my lady she daily drives it, or this one. We swap out whenever we feel like driving the other one. That one, the E60 M5, is quite a bit more raw feeling, is the best way to explain it. However, the F10 M5 is a much more refined, professional, and more, I guess, aggressive version of that car, which is probably exactly what they were going for, and they did it pretty well. But yeah, just let me know if y'all want me to do a side-by-side comparison of the two. I think that would be a good comparison. New versus old, or, well, the same new, but modern versus, I don't know, less modern. Even for that car to be a 2006 model, it's very nice. It's very comfortable, and it's still quite modern. If you did the software update in it, it would be very modern again. Other than that, yeah. Bet y'all didn't know I still had the C10. Oh, yep, there it is. If you want to see me finish that, let me know. I'll finish it one day. It needs some paint, needs a windshield, but really that's about it. I've done everything else. Oh, and I'm going to custom do the interior, of course. Very kind of depressing, but we'll finish it. You want me to finish it? Yeah, I'll take that as a yes. We're going to finish that, so keep an eye out for that video. We're going to definitely be doing a lot of body work here. making sure it's perfect. And we're gonna paint it. I took it apart a year ago to paint it. I haven't really touched it that much since. But yeah. Let's get it looking good again. But for now, you get to watch me paint.
You're a rolling stone, but I'm a cannonball. You're not fooling me, not fooling anyone. Got your head in a cloud, you're delusional. In the notion of all this emotional. Best be sure, I'll be there when you're looking for something You're not fooling me, not fooling anyone. Got your head in a cloud, you're delusional. In the notion of all this emotional. Best be sure, I'll be there when you're looking for something
We're just gonna wait on that to cure now. I'll probably let it sit there for a couple days in temperature controlled room. I will take the bumper and I'll put it in a different room, that way it doesn't have any chance at all of getting scratched or anything like that. Turned out really good, leveled out really well, very minimal orange peel. And anybody who says that you can't get a really good result in your garage is wrong. So I think I'm going to give the M5 its very first hand wash. So probably just going to time lapse this and enjoy. Alright guys, I think that's going to be it for today's video. If you liked it, let me know. If it's something that you're interested in, go ahead and give me a subscribe, a like, share, whatever. And here's the F10 M5 clean. First hand wash I've given it. Looking pretty good. Those wheels look much better when they're clean. Probably going to go ahead and spray it with some Meguiar's Quick Detailer with the ceramic in it. This car actually is already ceramic coated and it does have the PPF on it. And yeah, just to give it a little extra protection, I guess. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.